Okay, so welcome. What I'm going to do is we're going to get into creating a subscription that we're going to ultimately use to learn SharePoint a bit more. Even if your organization or wherever you work, or if you're just trying to do this on your own and you want to brush up or learn a little bit more about SharePoint, a good way to do it is have your own kind of playground. So to do that, Microsoft has something called M365, which is a great subscription that has SharePoint included in it, as well as a lot of other things. So real quickly, we're going to get into creating a free subscription for M365 so we can have a playground or a sandbox that we can use to learn SharePoint. So first things first, go to SharePoint or not go to SharePoint, go to Microsoft.com and then, or just Google search for Microsoft 365 business plans and or whatever you want. Anyways, you'll eventually get to here. One of the best subscriptions to use is Microsoft 365 Business Premium. And it's the price of the price wherever you're at. I'm in Canada currently. So click on free trial and then it'll take you to free trial. You'll have to sign up and do all that jazz. But ultimately, once you're done, you'll then be able to log in. Okay, so I already have my own trial, so I'm not going to do all that. But once all that's done, you simply go to portal.office.com. And then when you sign up for this free trial, you're going to have your email and credentials that you got to set up. Once that's done, you'll then be able to go to portal.office.com and then you can then log in with those credentials. So here, worker school, I enter in my password and then you click sign in and then it's going to ask you if you want to stay signed in or not. You could always choose yes or no and then you're in. And that's pretty much it. So you may be asking, okay, how do you get to SharePoint? It's pretty easy from here. You simply go to the waffle icon, top left corner, and then you click on SharePoint, and then here you are. And so that's it. Now, obviously, if it's a new subscription, you're going to have nothing here. It's going to be empty, but you want to create your first site. And that's how you get into SharePoint. So all this was, I really want to just show you in this video how to subscribe and what to do and how to get started with respect to SharePoint or even M365, whatever you're trying to do. And that's it. So thank you once again. I do training. These videos are pretty short and simple. Obviously, training is a little bit more in depth, but hopefully you learned something from this video. Thanks.